Just got home, reading your comments about the video I put up this afternoon. It was actually on schedule, so it went on, I believe, at 12 o'clock. By which time I was over the works messing about with this one. So have a look at this one now, and everything you said in the comments is probably right. Alright, it's probably right. So have a look, see what happens. See, now that's fully open. So we're going to put this in there. As you see, I wasn't getting enough heat. Didn't it look real? Don't that look fucking real? I welded the new inlet, big bore, so that should push some oil down that fucking hole. I made a basic on-off tap, so the hose pipe, is that a fucking blasting focus on it? Okay, I saw stuff. So that goes on your hose pipe, like that. This goes in there. And should choke it. See? It's not going to kill it choke, I think. But it's nigh on choked. And then you can just open that up slowly. So the sun is out, so there's nothing really stopping us from lighting up the sky. So what we're going to do, let me show you, because you saw how it was coming out of the... Yeah, look at that, see how fast that's coming out now. If that was coming out that fast in there, we'd have ourselves a bonfire, but I can't empty it all because we ain't got no, I don't have to empty it all, because if I can lean it over, I'll roll it over there when she's half empty, and we can do a quick fit change on it. And there, it started to rain. Touching the other side. The other day they was only going halfway, so believe me, that's not quarter of the way up there. Definitely doing a flipping trick of that. I thought this was the end of the series, but should I be happy? The answer is still no, I'm afraid. I'm happy with the burn, I'm happy with the oil. It's just that thing now. That thing. I'm just trying to empty it now. aluminium out of two wheels. Want to go camping this weekend? Right, everything shut off. Okay, come on, let's hear your comments. Where did I go wrong? You got all that alley, all that alley, all that alley. Not very pretty. Not as pretty as that.